8 minus 8 times 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 gives us 0. And 8 minus 8 again is equal to 0. And 0 times 0 gives us 0. If you got this answer, then the marks you get in the exam is also 0. The reason is that there is a fixed set of rules in math called the order of operations, commonly known as PEMDAS in some countries or BODMAS in some other countries, but they mean the same thing. In this rule, the letters P or B stand for parentheses or brackets, E or O stands for exponents or order, M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. First, we have to solve for parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here we first do multiplication and then subtraction. 8 times 8 gives us 64. So we have 8 minus 64 minus 8. 8 minus 64 gives us minus 56. And minus 56 minus 8 gives us minus 64. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is minus 64.